Hey guys, it's Angel. I am back in the kitchen today and I've got a super fun video for you. So today we're going to be trying out the Toshiba Alexa enabled smart microwave, which I have behind me. Now instead of using the microwave buttons, I'm going to talk to my Amazon Echo. Alexa, microwave for 2.5 minutes. Yay! Alright, so now let's just let that work and do its thing. Oh my gosh, I can already smell the popcorn. Okay, that sounds good. Let's take a look. Ooh, that's really hot. Be careful, guys. Alright, and there you have it. Microwavable popcorn with olive oil and a little bit of sea salt. Hands-free cooking.
Push just one button for ideal results. Panasonic's The Genius sensor monitors steam levels and adjusts cooking time automatically to achieve ideal results every time. Reheating for the 21st century from Panasonic. Combination cooking. Panasonic's inverter ovens combine microwave and convection heating to make tastier food quicker. With Panasonic's new combination ovens, you simply choose from 5 preset modes that perfectly match each type of food. Say goodbye to undercooking and overcooking. Foods taste better and they're ready quicker too. Until now, microwave ovens have been bulkier than they need to be. A whole chicken or a 36cm wide dish will fit into your Panasonic oven. Panasonic has moved the fan from the rear of the oven to the top, so large capacity ovens have a much smaller footprint and can fit anywhere. With Panasonic, you can now do more cooking in less space. Compact ovens for the 21st century from Panasonic. Auto menus. Panasonic ovens now come with advanced auto menu options to make cooking more convenient. With our special rebake menu, even bread that's been in the cupboard for a few days will taste fresh baked. We all want our children to eat healthily. The Panasonic Junior Auto menu can help. We all love French fries, but often they are oily. With Panasonic's Junior Auto menu, you can make delicious fries with just a tiny fraction of the oil, healthier for the whole family. For tastier, healthier food, fast, choose Panasonic's advanced auto menu options. Family cooking for the 21st century from Panasonic.
The Panasonic Cubie oven. Steam dishes are known worldwide for their healthy goodness. But making them at home required more than a little time and effort. Until now. The compact Cubie oven makes healthy meals quickly, features multi-cooking functionality, and is amazingly easy to use. The oven produces steam in just 20 seconds. In under 3 minutes, the fan fills the oven with 100 degrees Celsius steam. Now you can make delicious, healthy steam dishes in an instant. You can also cook with hot air convection for amazing results. With hot air convection, you can cook delicious sweets or fried foods with minimal oil. Or combine steam and hot air convection to bake moist and fluffy sponge cake. With the 3-level steam function, you can make amazing steamed vegetables, fish, buns, puddings, and more. It also thaws frozen foods in a snap. The convection function offers a wide range of temperature settings, allowing you to make yogurt, ferment bread dough, bake cakes, and make healthy fried foods. Combine convection with a steam shot for even more choices, including juicy, evenly cooked roast meat and flaky, succulent fish. With so many combinations possible, the Cubie oven lets you enjoy healthy, delicious cuisine every day. You can even disinfect baby bottles and children's tableware for added peace of mind. The oven is compact on the outside, but big on the inside. A whole fish fits inside. Insert shelves to steam a large volume of food all at once. The large display is easy to view, while the dial is easy to operate. 16 auto menu selections give you instant access to classic everyday dishes. And the included recipe book features 30 choice recipes to expand your cooking repertoire. Compact, but powerful and versatile. The Panasonic Cubie oven.